So next question is example number 36, page 346. Integration 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. कोई आइडिया नहीं है आपको करना है तो इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स कर सकते हैं तो बहुत बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, वो आपको पता है। तो क्या करेंगे? सो सपोज दिस इज योर आई 0 टू पाई बाई 2 log sin x dx. Say this is result number 1. Right? This is your result number 1. Now as usual, जिसका कोई नहीं इसका तो sum of the limit minus x है यार हो, right? So replacing x by pi by 2 minus x, what we get? I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin pi by 2 minus x dx. So sin pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. So ये cos theta हो जाएगा. So I will be 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. This is number 2. As usual, adding 1 and 2. So we get 1 plus 2 gives I plus I is twice I. So twice I is equal to same limit is 0 to pi by 2. So we get log sin x plus log cos x and bracket over dx. Now we have formula log a plus b is log a into b. That is log sin x into cos x, and we have to take I to opposite side. So this is I is equal to half 0 to pi by 2. This becomes log sin x into cos x dx. Now we have one formula sin 2 theta, but 2 is remaining. So dividing and multiply by 2. This is sin twice x divided by 2. So we get I is equal to, so therefore I is equal to 1 upon 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 log sin twice x divided by 2 dx. Right? This is a most important question also. Right? Because इस टाइप के ही एग्जाम्पल्स आएंगे. ये log sin x है तो cos x आपको सेल्फ करना है. वो एक्सरसाइज में कहीं ना कहीं तो होगा ही log sin x dx. राइट? नहीं है तो भी आपको वो करना है. राइट? आई थिंक क्वेश्चन जो है वो मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज में तो होगा log sin x. मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है जल्दी, तो कोई बात नहीं, आपको ढूंढ के भी करना है, कहीं से भी हो या ना हो. मैंने बोला तो आपको करना है. सो log cos x you have to do. Okay. Now log a upon b. Now log a upon b is log a minus log b. So what we get? This is 1 upon 2 0 to pi by 2 log sin twice x minus log 2 bracket over dx. So separating these, we get half 0 to pi by 2 log sin twice x dx minus log 2 is constant, so 1 upon 2 log 2 constant integration 0 to pi by 2 dx minus half, that is the constant log 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 dx. Got it? Now in this first integrand we assume that twice x is equal to 2 is equal to t, right? So in first integrand let twice x is equal to t. Twice x is equal to t. So what we get? Twice dx is equal to dt. That is dx is equal to dt by 2. And we have to change the limit. So changing the limit x t. Limit only is 0 to pi by 2. So 0 pi by 2. X is 0. So all things 0. So t is 0. X is pi by 2. This is pi. So your integration becomes now I is equal to half. Right? 0 to pi. Half 0 to pi. Log sin twice x. Log sin twice x. Right? So what we get? Log sin twice x is t and dx is dt by 2. Dx is dt by 2, that you know, right? Minus, this is as it is, so this is half log 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 dx. Any problem? So this is 1 upon 2, this is 2, we get 1 upon 4, right? So this will be, I will be 1 upon 4 integration 0 to pi log sin t dt, log sin t dt. वापस आ गए वहां ही, मगर लिमिट चेंज है. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. हमारे पास एक फॉर्मूला है, इंटीग्रेशन जो है 0 टू ट्वाइस ए एफ ऑफ एक्स dx इज इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स लिमिट 0 टू ए एफ एक्स dx हो जाती है इफ एफ ऑफ ट्वाइस ए माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स. यदि एफ एक्स की जगह लिमिट माइनस एक्स करेंगे तो आंसर एफ एक्स ही आ रहेगा. तो आंसर 2 टाइम्स 0 टू ए एफ एक्स dx आता है, वो आपको पता है. तो यहाँ पे एफ एक्स से जो है वो log sin x है, तो क्या होगा, एफ एक्स इज, राइट, इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्स इट इज t. सो हियर एफ टी इज log sin t. ये पता है, लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, मगर मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं, राइट? यदि x की जगह, दैट इज t की जगह पाई माइनस t करेंगे, राइट? सो क्या होगा, log sin f ऑफ पाई माइनस t इज log sin पाई माइनस t होगा, तो क्या हो जाएगा, log sin t ही होगा, राइट? तो रिमेंबर वन थिंग, while there is a limit 0 to pi, right, there is a limit 0 to pi and function of sin is given, then you can apply this formula, so you will get answer very easily, right, and with time saving. Okay, so applying here this formula, due to this is the reason why we are applying this. This is the reason. Okay, we are applying this formula due to this reason, right? Because f of twice a minus x is fx. F of twice a is what? Pi minus x. So f of pi minus x, that is t, log sin t. So answer will be 1 upon 4 as it is. Now 2 times integration. Okay, we miss out this step also. So just a minute. I'm not writing here this. Right, this is 0, right? Now for this, this is 1 upon 4, and due to this we are applying here. Due to this reason I'm writing here, so you have to write in continuation. So your I will be 1 upon 4, right? I will be 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2. Now 0 to twice a becomes 2 times 0 to half limit. So 2 times, so this is 2 times 0 to half limit. 0 to half limit, that is pi by 2. So 0 to half limit is pi by 2, right? And sin t dt as it is. So log sin t dt as it is, and minus half log 2 minus half log 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 dx. Now value of definite integration doesn't depend on the variable. So what is this? This is cancel, and this is your I, because value of the definite integration never depends on variable. So what we get, I is equal to half 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx minus 1 upon 2 log 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 dx. So this is now I, taking I left hand side. So I is equal to half into I minus half log 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 dx, right? So I minus half I, so this is I minus half I is equal to minus 1 upon log 2, and integration of this is x 0 to pi by 2. Got it? So this is half I. So half I is equal to minus half log 2, and upper limit minus lower limit is pi by 2 minus 0. These two will be cut. So answer will be minus log 2 into pi by 2. I will be minus pi by 2 log 2. Answer is minus pi by 2 log 2. Got it? So this is the question for you. Got it? तो क्या करना है ऐसे सम में, जो log sin x दिया है तो आप u into v नहीं कर सकेंगे, इसमें करना आपको ट्राई करना है. तो if you get answer then it's okay, otherwise this is the method. Okay, तो x को रिप्लेस करना है एज यूजुअल पाई बाई 2 माइनस एक्स से, रिप्लेस करके डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 किया, राइट. इसके बाद सेपरेट कर दिया, और ये जो स्टेप है दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर. दिस इज अ इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप, राइट. इफ यू फॉरगेट दिस यू नेवर विल गेट योर आंसर, राइट. सो डू प्रैक्टिस फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, एंड देन आफ्टर assuming here, now you will get log sin t again, same thing. So but limit is 0 to pi. If it is 0 to pi by 2, then you can substitute I here as we substitute here, right? Here, right? Got it? Okay, this is due to result number 1 if you want to write. Got it? So remember this result and remember my one word, that while you have, आपके पास जब लिमिट में 0 to pi है और साइन का फंक्शन है log sin x whatever it may be, then pi minus theta is sin theta simple. So f of twice a minus x will be fx. So that's why आपको क्या करना है कि आपको ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है, लिमिट को हाफ कर देना है और 2 टाइम्स कर दो तो ये आपका ओरिजिनल आई आ जाएगा, तो आपको सिंप्लीफिकेशन इजी हो जाएगा, राइट. सो डू प्रैक्टिस फॉर दिस एंड ऑल्सो solve yourself 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx, because cos will be here sin, cos will be here sin, and log sin x plus cos x यही हो जाएगा और सेम आंसर आएगा. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. ओके, सी cos become sin become cos, so cos become sin, but माइनस का प्रॉब्लम है वो तो आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, राइट. सो नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. ओके, सो सॉल्व योरसेल्फ लिमिट 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx, राइट. ये आपको सॉल्व करना है 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx, राइट. 101% सेम एग्जांपल हो जाएगा. ओके, डू प्रैक्टिस एट होम. ओके, थैंक यू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, पेज 347. given that I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx, right. It is given 0 to pi by 2, so your I will be 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Now as you know, you can integrate this, so you have to apply 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay, so apply that formula and substituting it. After integrating you will get your answer. But मैं आपको यहाँ पे जो हमारा फॉर्मूला है स्टैंडर्ड जिसका कोई नहीं, वो अप्लाई करके देखते हैं क्या होता है. तो सिंपली आई एम राइटिंग डायरेक्टली 0 to pi by 2. Instead of x we have to write pi by 2 minus x, right. So this is cos square pi by 2 minus x dx, right. X is equal to pi by 2 minus x. We are replacing x by pi by 2 minus x. So this is cos square pi by 2 minus x is sin square x. So this is integration 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx, right. Say result number 1. So what gives 1 plus 2? So 1 plus 2 gives twice I is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Right, sin square x plus cos square x. So sin square x plus cos square x dx gives. So what is your I? So I will be 1 upon 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 dx, and integration of this is x that you know. So this is half integration of this is x 0 to pi by 2. So answer will be pi by 2 minus 0. So half upper limit minus lower limit is pi by 2 minus 0. So your answer will be pi by 4, that you know, right. Either you can solve by this 1 plus cos twice x by 2, integrate this and got your answer pi by 4 easily, right. मैंने previous video में बताया था कि how to solve this. So take this fx is equal to x plus 2, take a 0, that is only x is equal to minus 2, right? So here fx is equal to x plus 2 modulus, right? So this is equal to, now zeros of this is only x plus 2 equal to 0, that is x equal to minus 2, so x is equal to minus 2, right? If we take less than minus 2 value, then this become x plus 2 becomes minus plus, what is the answer? If we take x from here, that is minus 3, so minus 3 plus 2 is minus, so we get negative value. So here is negative, and for greater than minus 2, suppose minus 1, then 2 minus 1 is plus, so here we get plus, that is our fx. So x less than minus 2 up to where? Minus 5, right? So what you have to write? So for x less than minus 2 and for x greater than minus 2, we have only two options, x less than minus 2 or x greater or equal to minus 2, right? So if x is less than minus 2, then what is our answer? X is less than minus 2, then fx is negative. So we have to take minus x plus 2 and x greater than minus 2, then in this portion x is positive, so we have to consider x plus 2. So now this minus 5 to 5 is equal to becomes minus 5, x less than minus 2, that is minus 5 to minus 2. So minus 5 to minus 2 union minus 2 to greater than minus 2 up to where? Our last limit is here minus 5 and plus limit is plus 5, right? So you can write directly here also, that is x lies between, instead of this you can write in between this, right? In between minus 5 to 2, so you can write minus 5 less or equal to x is less or equal to minus 2, then answer is this, and minus 2 less or equal to x less or equal to 5, you will get answer this, right? So आपको पता चल गया कैसे करना है, आप कैसे भी करो, मुझे ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, प्लस लेना है या माइनस लेना, अदरवाइज यू आर done everything. Okay, so I will be integration minus 5 to minus 2, और minus 5 to minus 2 है तब वो माइनस आता है, तो माइनस x और इधर x plus 2 dx, और प्लस माइनस 2 to 5 है, तो इसका आंसर आता है x plus 2 dx. Any problem? Right? Now this is a linear function, and integration of x is x square by 2. So you can write directly here, because this is a linear function and coefficient of x is 1. So you can write directly here minus integration of this is x square by 2, right? And limit is minus 5 to minus 2, right? So plus this is x plus 2 whole square by 2, and answer is minus 2 to 5, right? 1 upon 2 is constant. So 1 upon 2 is constant. So this is minus 1 upon 2. Substituting x equal to minus 2, this will be 0. Minus x is equal to minus 5. So 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Minus 3 whole square is 9. So answer is minus 9. Plus 1 upon 2. Substituting x equal to 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 whole square is 49. And minus 2 is 0. So 49 by 2, that is your answer. So what we get? Minus minus plus 9 by 2 plus 49 by 2. So 49 plus 9 is 58 by 2, that is 29 is your answer, right? So similar question is here, question number 6, page 347. So in this question you will get 2 to 5 and 5 to 8 limit, because x is equal to 5 is one of the root. So here is 5, 2 and 8. So 2 to 5 and 5 to 8. So you can do it yourself. So I am leaving this as a do it yourself question, right? That is homework. Now this integration 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x whole raised to n dx. Say this is I. So this is I is equal to this. Now it is not necessary to apply our rule, जिसका कोई नहीं है इसकी का फॉर्मूला. जो x क्या लिखेंगे, x की जगह पे 1 माइनस एक्स, सम ऑफ द लिमिट 1 माइनस एक्स करना है, तो x रिप्लेस करेंगे 1 माइनस एक्स के। अब मैं लिखने वाला भी नहीं हूं, तो 0 to 1 x की जगह पे लिखा 1 माइनस एक्स, 1 माइनस x की जगह लिखा 1 माइनस एक्स होल रेज टू n dx। एनी प्रॉब्लम? सो ये 1 1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस, सो दिस इज x रेज टू n, सो दिस विल बी 0 to 1 1 minus x and this is x raised to n dx. So multiplying this we get integration 0 to 1 x raised to n minus x raised to n plus 1 dx. Now integrating this, integration of this is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 minus x raised to 1 power more, like this, that is n plus 2 upon n plus 2, and limit is from 0 to 1. So this will be, substituting 1, we get 1 raised to any power is 1, so this is 1 upon n plus 1 minus 1 upon n plus 2, right? And lower limit is 0, so always 0. So taking LCM, we get n plus 2 minus n minus 1 whole upon n plus 1 into n plus 2. So this cut. So we will get 1 upon n plus 1 into n plus 2. So this is your answer, 1 upon n plus 1 into n plus 2, right?